Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. I'm Trevor.
And I'm Alicia. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we are talking about a very important topic, English for emergencies and unexpected situations.
This can feel a little scary to think about. What if something goes wrong and I don't know the right words?
Exactly. But our goal today is to help you feel prepared and confident. We will learn simple, clear phrases that are easy to remember and use.
That sounds great. Simple is good, especially when you feel stressed.
It really is. It reminds me of a time I was traveling in a new country. I was exploring a big city and I got a little bit lost.
Oh no, that feeling is not fun. What did you do?
Well, my phone battery was low, so I couldn't use a map. I started to feel a little worried.
Right, of course.
But then I took a deep breath. I saw a small shop and I went inside. I walked up to the person at the counter and said, very simply, "Excuse me, I am lost. Can you help me?"
And were they able to help?
Yes, completely. They were so friendly. They showed me on a map where I was and pointed me in the right direction. It was a good reminder that you don't need perfect English. You just need a few key phrases.
That makes so much sense. It's about communicating what you need in that moment.
Exactly. So let's start with the most basic and important phrases for getting help. Our first key phrase is very simple. It is, "I need help."
I need help. Okay, it's very direct.
It is. This is great for when you need attention quickly. To make it more polite, you can add "excuse me" at the beginning. "Excuse me, I need help."
Excuse me, I need help. I like that. It feels polite, but also serious.
Let's practice this. We will say it slowly, and you, our listeners, can repeat after us. Ready? "Excuse me, I need help."
Excuse me, I need help.
Great. Now let's say it at a more natural speed. "Excuse me, I need help."
Excuse me, I need help.
Excellent. Another very useful and polite phrase is, "Can you help me, please?"
Oh, that one is very friendly. Can you help me, please?
It is. It's a question, so it invites the other person to respond. Let's practice that one too. Slowly first. "Can you help me, please?"
Can you help me, please?
Perfect. And now at a natural pace. "Can you help me, please?"
Can you help me, please?
Okay, let's try a short role play dialogue. Alicia, imagine you are in a train station. You can't find your platform. I am a station employee. Ask me for help.
Okay, I can do that. Here I go. Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What is the problem?
I am lost. I am looking for the train to Berlin.
The train to Berlin is on platform 7. It's that way.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. See how that works? Alicia used a simple phrase and then explained the problem. I am lost. This is another key sentence.
It's much easier than trying to say something complicated like, I am having difficulty locating the correct departure point for my train.
Exactly. I am lost is perfect, simple, and clear. Now let's talk about more specific situations. What if you are feeling unwell or sick?
That's a really important one. You might meet a doctor or just a place to sit down.
Correct. A very clear phrase is, "I need a doctor."
I need a doctor. Okay, everyone will understand that.
Yes, let's practice it. First, slowly. I need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
Good. Now at natural speed. I need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
You can also ask, where is the nearest hospital?
Where is the nearest hospital? That's very useful.
Let's do a role play for the situation. Alicia, imagine we are in a supermarket. You suddenly feel very dizzy and unwell. I am a store employee.
Okay, here I go. Excuse me, can you help me? I don't feel well.
Oh, of course. Are you okay? Do you need to sit down?
Yes, please. I feel dizzy. I think I need a doctor.
Okay, please sit here. I will call for medical help right away. Just stay calm.
Thank you.
That was a perfect example. Leisha said, I don't feel well. This is a great, soft way to explain the problem. Then she said, I think I need a doctor to make the situation clear.
It shows that you can start simple and then add more information if you can.
Okay, let's move to our next unexpected situation, losing something important.
This has happened to me. Losing your wallet or phone is so stressful.
It is. The key phrase here is I've lost or I have lost. You can then add the name of the item. For example, I've lost my wallet.
I've lost my phone. I've lost my passport. I've lost my hotel key.
Perfect. Let's practice that structure. Repeat after us, slowly first. I've lost my wallet.
I've lost my wallet.
And at a natural speed, I've lost my wallet.
I've lost my wallet.
Let's do another role play. This time, I've lost my phone in a cafe. Alicia, you are the cafe worker. I will come to you for help.
Okay, I'm ready.
Excuse me, I have a problem. I can't find my phone. I think I left it here.
Oh, okay. Don't worry. Where were you sitting?
I was at that table by the window.
Let me check for you. Yes, here it is. Someone gave it to me.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I was so worried.
You're welcome. I'm glad we found it.
In that dialogue, I started with, I have a problem. This is another good way to show that you need help with something specific.
Right. It tells the other person to pay attention. I have a problem is stronger than just excuse me.
It is. It's very useful. Now, let's discuss a more serious situation that we hope you never experience, but it's important to be prepared for. Reporting a crime. This can be a very stressful and scary situation, but knowing what to say can help you get the help you need quickly and efficiently.
That does sound serious. It's something we all hope to avoid, but being prepared is definitely the smart thing to do. What are the key phrases for this kind of situation?
Now, one of the most important skills in an emergency is staying calm. But part of staying calm is being able to understand what people are saying to you.
That's true. If someone is speaking too fast, it's easy to panic because you can't understand.
So, we have a key phrase for this. You can say, could you speak more slowly, please?
Yes, very important. Could you speak more slowly, please? People are usually happy to slow down if you ask them.
Let's practice that one. It's a little longer. Slowly. Could you speak more slowly, please?
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Great. And natural speed. Could you speak more slowly, please?
Could you speak more slowly, please?
And what if you still don't understand, even if they speak slowly?
Then you can just be honest and say, I don't understand.
Exactly. It's okay to say that. I don't understand. It tells the person they need to try a different way to communicate. Maybe they will use simpler words or use their hands to show you.
Yes, using your hands or pointing is a great tool when words are difficult.
Let's practice our two phrases for understanding. First, a guided listening and speaking practice. I will say the sentence, and then you, the listener, can repeat it in the pause. Let's begin. I don't understand. Again, I don't understand.
Now for the other phrase listen and repeat. Could you speak more slowly, please? One more time. Could you speak more slowly, please?
Very good. Practicing these phrases will make them easier to remember when you need them. All right, we have learned so many useful phrases today. Let's do a quick summary of the most important ones.
Okay, a summary sounds great.
First, for getting general help, you can say, excuse me, I need help.
Or, can you help me, please?
If you are lost, you can say, I am lost.
If you are feeling sick, you can say, I don't feel well, or I need a doctor.
If you've lost something, you can say, I've lost my phone or I've lost my wallet.
And if you can't understand someone, remember you can say, I don't understand. And could you speak more slowly, please?
Those are your key tools. The most important tips are to stay as calm as you can, speak slowly, and use these simple, clear sentences.
Thinking about these situations ahead of time and practicing the phrases like we did today really helps you feel more prepared. You are building confidence.
That's the goal. We don't want you to feel worried. We want you to feel empowered. You have the tools to handle these situations in English.
Remember, people are usually kind and want to help. If you try to communicate, they will try to understand.
That is so true. Thank you all so much for listening and practicing with us today. Keep up the great work with your English learning.
Yes, you are doing a fantastic job. Until next time, take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.